Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make this nice DIY avocado and mayonnaise hair mask. It was actually inspired by Cardi B. Now let's get started. So these are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have a banana, an avocado. Here I have an egg. Here I have my organic honey, mayonnaise, coconut oil. I have here my aloe vera and avocado oil I made of recent, and here I have my extra virgin olive oil. So this is basically everything we'll be needing for our hair mask. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using half banana since my hair is not that long. 1 full avocado.
She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man.
So I'll be adding the egg now. A bit of mayonnaise, let's say a tablespoon. A tablespoon of coconut oil. Tablespoon of my aloe vera and avocado oil, and like I said, you can use any oil of your choice. A tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. A tablespoon of honey. So here's all the combination. The next thing I'm just going to blend now. I won't be adding water into this.
She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man.
So guys, it's all blended. This is how it looks like. So creamy. So nice. I'm just going to pour into this bowl and we'll be ready for application. So guys, that's basically all for my avocado, banana and mayonnaise hair mask. Very nice. I'll leave the benefits in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.